Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So you may have heard of the Desktop Goose. This was actually trending on Twitter for a little while and it looks pretty interesting. So if you haven't heard of it, it's basically a goose that takes over your desktop and it seems pretty funny. So I figured I'd go ahead and download it and try it. I'm going to try it on this other computer that I have. This is the Dell Optiplex 380 that I have, and I didn't want to put it on my main machine. Alright, so you can donate or you can do it for free. So if you don't want to donate, you can just hit the no thanks, just take me to the downloads. And then we'll go ahead and download it. It looks like there was already an update. So we'll see, let me see what that says actually. Yeah, so here's the new update. Put whatever memes you want in the assets folder, Goose will bring them. Added GIF support, whatever. Hack the Goose, alter properties in the config.goose file, and adjust his aggression. Alright, so let's see how this goes. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. README. Alright. Okay, hold escape to exit. You'll need to hold it for a couple seconds. Enable secret music. That's crazy. Okay. Holy shit, you actually opened the README. Good for you. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Alright, so we probably need to extract all this. So let's extract it all. Alright, and then let's go ahead and start it up. Windows protected your PC. It knows the goose is gonna bring hell. Alright, let's try it anyway. Oh, I hear it. There it is. There's the little goose. You can hear him doing little pitter patters. Oh, he's honking. Just rude. Tracking mud all over my clean desktop. How could you? Yes. He's now taking over my mouse. If you click on him, he gets angry. Let's see. So rude. Alright, so this is after about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So we got a couple memes. So, and there he is pulling in another one. So I'm gonna actually leave this overnight and I wanna see how much it actually does. And here we are the next morning. And the goose has brought many memes. Notes. But yeah, a lot of memes. So if you want to adjust the goose's aggression, you go into the config file, and I just changed the can attack at random to true. I'm not sure what the version is, but you have max wandering time, min wandering time, or first wandering time. So you can change all that stuff if you want to. If you want to add your own memes to the goose, for the goose to bring you, go into the assets, images, memes, and then just add your own. Google has some pretty lame memes, but I wanted to go ahead and see how they look when the goose brings them. And it just says to rename it to music. And now it's coming to attack me. Oh, look. Oh, he's mad. Oh, he's following the mouse. What are you gonna do? Oh, he took my mouse. See, not moving it. Just taking it where he wants to go. Okay. Oh, so mean.